Hey, what's up, everyone? I just wanted to do a quick little testimonial because I just got the Jason West funnel for the Mail Coach website for Kartra. And if you want some stuff that just saves you a ton of time, Jason West not only sets it all up, but then he gives you this whole training section where you can log in and he'll tell you exactly how to change it all into your own website. And moment I launched it, the whole email sequence worked. Everything went boom, boom, boom without a hitch. I got people joining my list now. And people were commenting on, wow, Dave, that looks like a great website. Oh, that's a good website. That looks nice. So I'm just appreciate Jason's funnels. And in fact, I want to get a few more of his funnels because they're all going to connect. And every time I look at everything else available out there, it's like he's definitely the Cadillac, and even if you don't like Cadillacs, the Maserati or whatever. But anyways, so thank you, Jason West, for your funnels. I really appreciate it. And I just want to say, hey, if you guys don't have Kartra, go check it out. And if you do have Kartra and you haven't gone to the marketplace and checked out Jason West's funnels or gone to his YouTube channel and checked out Jason West's funnels, you need to do so because he's going to save you a ton of time. And you know what? I don't even know how to do website stuff. So Kartra is the only reason I can even make my own funnels in the first place. And Jason West is the only reason they look really good. So anyways, thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. And you're awesome, dude. Keep it up. Keep making cool funnels and I will keep buying them. So, all right, man. Talk to you soon. Bye.